Yes, students, in this video you will learn about demography and population trends in India. So, first you should know what is demography. The study of population is called demography. Study of population or human population is called demography, and one who study about population is called demographer. So regarding population education has been introduced in education system of India to make the students aware regarding the consequence of uncontrolled population and the advantages of small family norms and the growth, distribution and density of population. The relationship between the population to the standard of life. The standard of life is also related to the population and method of control of human population. So, to aware the students about these facts, population education has been introduced in Indian population. Now see population trends in India. According to 2001 census, population density of India is 324 persons per square kilometer. According to 2001 and 2011 census, India is second most populous country in the world. First one is China. So according to 2001 census, Indian population is 1027 million and it is 50.6% of the world population. So India is the second most populous country in the world after China. Most populous state in India is Uttar Pradesh. Its population is 166 million. And second most populous state in India is Madhya Pradesh. Its population is 60 million. populous state of India is Sikkim. Its population is 5.40 lakh. Most densely populated state in India is West Bengal. Its density is 904 persons per square kilometer are residing in West Bengal, and Union Territory with minimum population density is, sorry, not minimum, maximum population density is Delhi. Its population density is 9,294 persons per square kilometer. Union Territory with minimum population density is Andaman Nicobar. Its density is 43 persons per square kilometer, and sex ratio in India is 933 females per 1000 males. The birth rate in India is, according to 2001 census, is 26 persons per 1000, and death rate is 8 per 1000. Birth rate and death rate means, first see birth rate, number of individuals or persons born in a year per 1000 is birth rate. It is 26 per 1000. Death rate, number of persons died per 1000 in a year is called death rate. It is 8 per 1000 in India according to 2001 census. Now, causes of increase in human population of the world or India. So the major causes that have contributed towards increase in the human population are decline, death rate. If death rate is declining, it causes increase in human population. And control of disease also responsible for increase in human population. Decrease in infant mortality. Death rate of infant decreases, then population increases. Better sanitation and community health also responsible for increase in human population. Improvement in agriculture. Due to improvement in agriculture, high yielding varieties and nutrient rich varieties are developed. Due to availability of high yielding and nutrient rich variety, population increases. Improvement in agriculture, better means of transport, better storage condition. These are also responsible for increase in human population of the world and human population of India. That's all.